Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a question that many homeowners face when they're thinking about selling their property. Should you renovate before selling? It's a common dilemma, isn't it? On one hand, you want to get the best price for your home, and on the other hand, you don't want to sink money into renovations that you won't recoup when you sell. So let's break it down. If your home is in serious need of updates, like an outdated kitchen or bathroom, investing in renovations might be worth it. These are areas that buyers pay close attention to and can significantly impact their decision to make an offer. However, not all renovations provide a good return on investment. For example, converting a spare bedroom into a home office might be a great idea for you, but it might not appeal to every buyer. That's why it's crucial to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands the local market trends. They can advise you on which renovations are likely to add value to your home and which ones you might want to skip. So, should you renovate before selling? It depends. In some cases, a few strategic updates can help you sell faster and for a higher price. But always remember to weigh the cost against the potential return and consult with a professional before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on buying, selling, and everything real estate. See you next time.